everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Lenovo Smart Clock 2. In this video, I'll be showing you and telling you how to add pictures in this easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, we have the clock face, which is sort of like our home screen. And what you can do is you can set it up to display your pictures as part of your clock face. And excuse me, it's a really cool feature, and it's really easy to do. I do apologize. I just ate a snack and had a big glass of water. It's 11:36 p.m. I was gonna take some time to digest, but I really want to finish these videos and go to bed. So I do apologize about any sounds that you hear coming out of my mouth. So let's get right into it. Essentially, we're gonna be changing the clock face to the Google Photos version of the clock face. Okay, and I'll show you how to use featured photos as well. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna press and hold down on the clock face. That brings up all the various clock faces that we can choose from. You can also go through the settings app within the Lenovo Smart Clock 2, and you can choose a clock face through the settings app. But what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way to the end. At least at the time of filming this, it's all the way to the end. Okay, and you can see there's featured photos, which will display other photos, which are really cool. I've seen them before. I've used that clock face, and you know what? They're super duper cool. And then there's Google Photos. So Google Photos is basically your photos that you have in the Google Photos app. Excuse me. So essentially, you're gonna select this clock face, okay? I'm gonna tap it right there, and you can see it says Google Photos, select albums. So what we're gonna do is, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap that and you are gonna select your Google Photo album. So you're gonna create an album in your Google Photos app, okay? When you've created that album in your Google Photos app, you're gonna select that one and it'll cycle through the photos, okay? Now, I'm just gonna show you one more time because I timed myself out there, okay? Google Photos, select the album, and in addition, you can change. Do you want the time to appear on there, or do you just want it to be rotating photos? Because then you can just make it like a picture frame of rotating photos. Do you want the temperature on there or not? And do you want the home screen ticker on or off, right? So you can choose these options. But the most important thing is that in your Google Photos app, you actually go ahead and you select a photo, you create an album and you select the album. And once again, the options are time. So you can choose the time on or off. You can see it appears small in the top left corner. You can choose it on or off. So time is an option. Current temperature, on or off, it's up to you. And then home screen ticker, which is like your reminders, alarms, suggestions, anything like that. Like it's just like suggestions for you, on or off, completely up to you, okay? That's it, that's how to add photos on or add pictures on a Lenovo Smart Clock 2. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.